Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, yes, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now, today's video is going to be something I was thinking about doing, and I'm finally getting around to it, and that is continuing my seltzer battles. So today we have the winner of the last seltzer battle. Winner of the last seltzer battle, Truly Lemonade series. Specifically, the black cherry is my favorite. So, hey, I came across this, and this is Budweiser's lemonade seltzers. Supposed to be comparative to this one, I'm guessing. I don't know, I have not had this one yet. And I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we're gonna find out. The reason I went with Truly last time is because of how much flavor it packs. It packs a ton of flavor, more than the regular Trulies do, more than the White Claws do. I find the Truly Lemonades really pack an amazing flavor. So we're gonna find out how Budweiser stands up against it. Real quick, we're looking at this nutritional info real quick. This has got, specifically, let's talk about carbs. They both have 3 grams of carbs per can. List the ABV, both 5% ABV. 12-ounce can, a hard seltzer with natural flavors, naturally flavored. So let's try them out. Let's crack them up and see what we've got. So go with the black cherry. Truly is my favorite hard seltzer. I'm not a big fan of seltzers anyway, like you saw in my other video when I talk about them. I find they have a really strong mineral taste. I'm not really big on that. But anyway, the black cherry lemonade from Truly, ton of flavor. Still my favorite. Still my favorite. We're gonna find out in a second how it stands up to the Budweiser. It's Budweiser, and I never have high hopes for Budweiser, so maybe it'll surprise me. And it's just, I don't know. It's just me personally. You like Budweiser, and great, good for you. Not being mean about it, but I'm not a fan of Budweiser, never have been. But let's see how they do with their seltzers. I don't know, let's see. This smells okay. I really don't taste the difference. Wow, wait a minute. Let's see how this goes. I'm taste testing seltzers in Glencairn glasses. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the color. Now, when I think black cherry, I think of that dark red color. Truly has a lot more of that color for sure. Budweiser's a little opaque. It's got that hint of red color to it, but the Truly does have more color. Glencairn glasses, the way they work, you can really pick up that cherry. The black cherry really stands out on the nose there. I pick up the black cherry, but there's something else, and it might be the water that they use in a seltzer that I'm smelling that I don't get in a Truly. Truly on the nose, I'm getting just straight black cherry. There's a strong black cherry smell on it, but there's a little something else. It's not bad. It really isn't. It's a lot better. It's a lot better than I thought it'd be. But there's a weird... That's not all the time. I don't know. Guys, they're what and what. I mean, really, honestly, I really don't see a big difference in them. There's a couple of times, and I like maybe 2 out of the 5 sips that I took, it had a, not a weird taste, but it's just something, and it's, I don't know how to say this and not be mean about it, but it's kind of like, you know, you get the morning breath. It's kind of got a little bit of that, but not every time, which is really weird. Man, not that time. Yeah, I'm going to say Budweiser, and y'all put out a good product. And this is, I really don't like Budweiser beers in any way, shape, or form. It doesn't matter which, if it's light, if it's whatever. I never was a fan of Budweiser. But they stepped up their game on their hard seltzer. So, squeaking it out, I'm saying, let's go ahead and rate this 1 to 10, I guess we could do. Well, let's just go 1 to 5. I definitely, Truly hard seltzer, specifically the black, they're all good. All the Truly lemonades are delicious. Black cherry is my favorite, 5 out of 5, hands down. The Budweiser, just because, I don't know, there's a weird, not bad, it's not a bad aftertaste, it's a weird aftertaste, and it's not all the time. I'm gonna give this one, I'm belching, I'm gonna give this one a 4.5. I'd put it, I think, drinking out the can, you don't even notice, but pouring them out, I do like the color of the Truly better than this. This looks kind of opaque and almost milky. Drinking out the can, you would never see that. You wouldn't notice it. Pouring them out, I do like the color and the consistency of the Truly better. And that's why I'm going to give this one a 5. And I'm going to give the Budweiser Bud Light seltzers, I'm going to give it a 4.5. And I think if they could clean this up a little bit, make it a little more clear. It does, it's a little opaque and milky looking where the Truly isn't. So there you go, guys. Battleground, and not by much. I'm gonna say the Truly, again, 5 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5 on the Bud Light Black Cherry Seltzer. All right, guys, so that's it from me. Hey, guys, if you like the videos I put out, make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment even, share my videos, subscribe, blah, 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 YouTube stuff that all the YouTubers tell you to do. Okay, guys, as always, y'all have a great day, because when I finish these two and then the cocktail I just did and these right here, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later. I'm impressed. But taking you with me. Okay.